Vendetta crosses all limits in the state of Maharashtra, viewers. We come to you with breaking news that was given to us roughly 1.5 hours ago. 2:50 p.m. The Maharashtra State Assembly gives a notice to Arnab Goswami. They ask him to appear before them. Let this sink in properly, viewers. They ask Arnab Goswami, Editor-in-Chief of Republic TV, to appear before them within 10 minutes at 3 p.m. A notice is served to us in our office in Mumbai. It is served at 2:50 p.m. Vendetta crosses all boundaries when the Maharashtra State Assembly demands a personal appearance in 10 minutes. Let the facts be known that a privilege motion has been passed against Arnab. We have already moved the top court of the country, and I'd like to get on the camera now our Editor-in-Chief Arnab. Arnab, this is vendetta at a different level. This is the state machinery working at a different level, crossing and having utter disregard for law and order.
Well, absolutely. I think I will not mince my words here. There is a complete and absolute breakdown of law and order in the state of Maharashtra. Now, we have interceded in the Supreme Court on this matter. We feel that the privilege motion against us is frivolous, is malicious, and is based upon political motives. It is our legal right then to go to seek a remedy from the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is hearing the matter. The Supreme Court made certain questions, put certain questions on procedural grounds just a few days back. In fact, I think day before yesterday, the matter was before the Supreme Court. And then after that, we are getting notice after notice after notice after notice from the Maharashtra Assembly. And we are replying to the notices, and they are not accepting our replies, which is illegal, patently illegal, unconstitutional. And they are not replying to us with refusing to take our replies on record, which means they are playing to a game plan. Their idea is, let us fix Republic.
Yes.
Well, I want to tell the Honorable Maharashtra Assembly that the important thing of the Maharashtra Assembly is to serve the people of Maharashtra, not to allow interlopers to use the Maharashtra Assembly to fix Republic. And the second point is this: I am in the Supreme Court. You have given me a notice received duly by my office at 2:50 p.m. and you have said, appear before the assembly at 4 p.m. Now, I want to understand. If you have given me a summons, you've told me to reach the office at 3 p.m. and you've served me the notice at 2:50 p.m. What does it mean, Rhythm? You tell me. You can tell the people watching tonight. They've given what has never happened in the history of India. They have shown their vendetta in public today. After today, the people of India know clearly the game that's going on in Maharashtra. You have asked me to reach the assembly in 10 minutes. Am I going to travel there on a hyperloop? Are you out of your mind? So, Rhythm, what really are the issues which come forth? I'm asking you. You're the legal expert here. Has this ever happened in the history of India?
Arnab, I don't think so, and also this has never happened that a privilege motion is even usually beyond not given to a private citizen. That's the first thing that we went to the Supreme Court with. It was public knowledge that Republic TV, Arnab Goswami, over this notice had gone to the Supreme Court. For them to give us notices to actually pinpoint that they are not aware of what's happening in the Supreme Court is bizarre. It's bewildering, it's appalling. What is most appalling today, it's almost like an abomination, is for the state of Maharashtra, the Maharashtra Assembly, to come forward, serve a notice at 2:50 p.m. This is going to be called across India, where we're already getting calls as the 10-minute notice. Because they say we want the personal appearance within 10 minutes at 3 p.m. It is not only about whether they actually think there's a private jet that will take you to the Maharashtra Assembly or not, but a very serious matter that has to be seen here. This matter is pending in the highest court of the country. It's an utter breakdown of law and order in the state of Maharashtra. Earlier we've seen when investigations go on, several legal experts, lawyers,
precisely, and for all the viewers joining me today, if you are watching this broadcast, could you please ask your friends to tune in right now? And please, my dear viewers and supporters, tell them it is a personal request from Arnab. On cable, on YouTube, any platform on live streaming Republic World, I want to speak to you. And this is what I want to say. Today, the Maharashtra Assembly has served a third or fourth notice on me. First of all, every repeated notice that they are serving upon me shows their desperation and political malice. And this notice, the manner in which it was served, the procedure not followed, and the brazen nature of the move has totally exposed the unacceptable and continued targeting of the Republic Media Network in the state of Maharashtra. What they are basically saying is, if you are in Maharashtra, we will target you, persecute you, we'll take you to the cleaners. We will abuse every process of law. Their actions are only and only exposing their intent, and the nation is watching.